Right, today we've just taken delivery of two fantastic items to help us with our YouTube channel. Thanks to our sponsors at Curry's Know-How, who have supplied us with no end of kit in the past. Like, they've been really supportive. So a big shout out to Curry's Know-How. So the first item we've received today is the Mavic 2 Zoom drone. Now this is a really good item. We have not had it out of the box yet. We're just going to unbox it, get it out for a test fly once we actually charge things up. There you go, that's the Mavic 2 Zoom. The second item I received is a Nikon D5600 camera. We've already got one of these, but this is a second one to back up what we're already doing and help us make good videos for you to watch. So we're excited to use this as well. We'll show you these in action as we use them once we get them all charged up. So here we are outside with our DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. And Billy's just going to go through the procedure of how we actually set this up and go take off.
Right, we've connected a Samsung phone to it because you can connect it via USB on the back. So basically to turn it on, you press this button on the top, press it once and then hold it, and then you hear the rotors start and the propellers will start moving slightly. Do the exact same on the controller, so you press it so you can see it on the screen, and then you hold it, press and hold, quick succession. You'll get this mode, you'll get this come up, and on the phone you'll get the app saying it's connected, so you just press OK, and as you can see it through. It might not come up quite well on camera, but you can see that you're actually looking through the camera.
So we're just going to take our maiden flight. So we've used drones before, so we're not going to go through the beginner's tutorial. So we are Billy's just going to take you through the flight procedure and how we take off.
Right, there's two ways to take off. Push both joysticks into this way, or there's a button on the phone here, which is the very top one on the left hand side.
Yep.
You press it and slide it across, and it will take off.
You're the things that fall in summer bring, the time will never show, a beauty that lasts 1,000 lives that I'll live to know. When winter comes and summers fly, the cold it will arrive. If you're ever lost out on your own, it's you I'll always find. When snow it falls and freezes all for hundreds of miles, you're the days of spring that make it seem all worth the while. So with seasons always changing, this one thing will remain: you'll never live this life alone. With you I'll always stay. And when the waters rise, I will catch you from sinking. And when the storm subsides, I'll still be hanging on. When you're at the end of your life, I'll sing to you this love song. All will change, but our love will remain. With you I'll always stay. And one day in this fleeting life, our time will slip away, and all the things you once held dear will be forever changed. So take my hand and hold on tight through the sun and rain, 'cause here right now I make this vow that with you I'll always stay.
Okay, we've just had our first flight with the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. It's a great piece of kit. We've got a bit of practice to do with it, obviously, and but from what we've seen so far, and hopefully the footage will show you, the best thing for us is it can track the vehicles. Although we had another drone that didn't do that, but this will give us more, be able to give us more footage when we're out in the field and give you some better footage to watch. So, first impressions, very good bit of kit. The Nikon cameras, we knew they were a great bit of kit. We never used them for video before, but we've now started recording with video now, and I think they're good for video as well. So we'll be adding a lot of that in, and you'll see more in the future. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and on Twitter